Hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and welcome back to another Bangkok travel vlog. So we are still here in Suvarnabhumi Airport, and for this video guys, I will guide you on how to get to the city from Suvarnabhumi Airport. So there's a lot of option guys that you can take to go to the city. So now we are going to discuss yung public transportation. So public transportation guys is located dito sa first floor. And again, hindi naman kayo maliligaw dito sa airport because there's a lot of signage and directions. So as you can see, we are here and nandito yung mga public transportation. So let's start. So guys, once you arrive here in Bangkok and you have plans to go straight sa Pattaya, Hua Hin, Khao San, Ko Chang, or Koh Kud, meron dito guys, direct airport express going to this location. So straight from the airport guys, you can go directly to Pattaya or any place na meron dito. So nag-over sila ng bus. Yung bus na yan guys is dito, ang labas nyo. So let's check kung ano pang meron dito. Meron ding mga van service. And again guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo sa last video ko na about tourism card, every floor of this airport may mga nagbebenta ng tourism card. So hindi nyo na kailangang umakyat. Alright, so we are going this way and I'll show you guys yung mga iba pang pwede nyo sakyan going to the city. So aside from yung mga bus, now they have also taxis. Ayan guys, so maraming taxi dito. As you can see, mahaba yan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. So guys, kung nagbabalak kayo mag-taxi, hindi kayo agad makakasakay sa mga yan. And as you can see, meron silang parang spot, tapos may mga nakasulat sa taas, which is yung kanilang parang bay number or lot number, and yung kanilang plate number. So I'll show you guys kung paano kayo makakapagpabook ng taxi. So on this way, so nag-exit tayo guys sa number 8. Dito merong parang mga machines kung saan magbubook kayo guys ng taxi. So again, hindi kayo makakasakay ng taxi without that ticket. And I'll just show you. So let me just explain. Dito guys, ito yung mga machines, mga kiosks for taxi. So as you can see, merong short distance, merong regular taxi, and may large taxi. So kayo na bahala guys magtansya kung ano yung dapat na kunin yung taxi. So more on short distance kasi guys, ayan, may mga nakalagay na kung saan. Kung mga pupuntahan nyo yan, mga dadaanan nyo, pwede nyo gamitin yung short distance taxi. Yung regular taxi guys sa atin is parang sedan, yung 4-seater. Tapos yung large taxi is yung mga 6-seater. Now, gagawin nyo lang is pupunta lang kayo dito. Ayan, pipila lang kayo kung may pila. Pero kung wala, pwede kayo dumiretso. Then, papakita ko sa inyo yung kanilang machine. Ayan. So, click nyo lang yung get ticket. Then, magbibigay na siya sa inyo ng resibo with the plate number and kung saang bay nakapark yung inyong taxi. So, ganon. And guys, make sure na you read rules, policies, or terms and conditions pag kuha nyo ng resibo. Kasi may nakita ko sa TikTok guys na parang sabi, nung nag-try daw sila ng public transportation, medyo na-scam daw sila kasi parang nagpadagdag daw yung driver ng not sure kung 20 baht or 50 baht per luggage kasi sabi nga daw parang mabigat na yung mga luggage nila tsaka sobra. Pero guys, yung resibo na yon, meron doon nakalagay na parang ang limit lang talaga niya is 2 luggage per head. Kapag lumagpas kayo, meron talaga nakalagay doon sa resibo na we need to pay for an additional fee. So yon, bago kayo magkuda, bago kayo magreklamo, make sure na you read kung ano yung mga nasa resibo. Then guys, if you think na feeling nyo na i-scam kayo, you can ask them to stop and get out of the taxi. And don't worry guys kasi ayan pala, meron din ditong hotline kung meron kayong mga complaints about the taxi. So ito siya. And guys, for any complaints about the taxi service, please call 1722 or 02132-0360. Ayan. And ito pala, nasa likod ko na. So guys, merong fare increase dito, 50 baht for the taxi driver. Alright? So guys, aside from the taxi, you can also ride a bus going to the city. Now, mapapansin nyo guys, dito yung mga taxi nila. Sa kabilang side, dun yung mga bus. And ang bus guys, meron din siyang parang airport bus sa atin na merong mga parang point to point na if you think malapit yung stop niya dun sa or dadaanan niya guys dun sa accommodation niyo, then you might as well take the bus. Then dun din guys kapag kumuha kayo ng mga transfer or bus going to Pattaya and other provinces, doon din yung bus sa kabilang lane. Now, meron din dito guys na airport taxi na tinatawag, which is meron din sa atin. Just mention the drop off, then sasabihin na sa inyo guys kung magkano. And since airport taxi siya, so expect nyo na mas mahal compared dito sa mga regular taxi. So guys, if ever na mag-grab kayo, which is pwedeng-pwede naman, hindi sila nag-a-allow ng grab guys dito sa first floor. Kailangan dun nyo hintayin sa departure area, which is sa fourth floor. Well, yung mga grab driver naman guys, aware na sila. So, imi-meet nyo sila doon sa taas. So, take note of that. Ayun guys, yung mga bus. Ayan, isasabi ko sa inyo. And I'll show you yung airport taxi na sinasabi ko. Or yung electric taxi guys. Ayan. So, they're not using any meter, I guess. Just mention kung saan kayo mag-drop off. Kakalculate na nila yung fare going to your destination. So, in fairness guys, malamig dito. Pero nasa labas na to ha. Alright, so we are done. So now, the easiest way pa rin guys, going to the city is by train. And mas mura. Yun nga lang, lalakad lang kayo going to the basement. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin is papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung transfer na gagawin ko from Suvarnabhumi Airport going to the city using the airport rail link. Alright, so let's go to the basement guys. And wala naman na ako nakalimutan dito sa airport. So I guess I'm ready to go to the city kung saan yung ating accommodation. Okay guys, so now we are heading to the airport rail link ticketing booth para kumuha ng ticket going to the city. So dumaan lang ulit ako guys dun sa money changer. Open na sila. So nag-open sila 5:30 AM. And yan, maraming nakapila. So hindi ako sumasakay ng taxi, bus kasi mas preferred kong mag-train. So pakita ko sa inyo yung kanilang ticket machine. So if I'm not mistaken, 45 baht. And before you ride the train guys, make sure na alam niyo yung station na bababaan ninyo kasi there's 7 station from Suvarnabhumi Airport. So yan, may Lat Krabang, may Bantapchang, may Wamhak, may Rakameng, may Makasan, Ratchathaprak, and Phayatay. So sa Phayatay tayo guys, going to our accommodation. So once we reach Phayatay, tayo magta-transfer to BTS station going to National Stadium. At dun mismo guys sa National Stadium yung ating accommodation. So 45 baht from Suvarnabhumi going to Phayatay. So touch nyo lang English. And then yung station na bababaanin nyo. Tapos kung ilang heads. Ayan, 1. So 45 baht. Soak it and change. Alright. Ganun lang guys kadali. Just follow the instruction carefully. Alright, so we have the token guys. This is the change. So we have the token guys going to Phayatay. So let's go. So we're gonna wait for the train guys. And we can sit here for a moment. And time check is 5:46 AM. So ang airport rail link guys ay nag-open ng 5:30 from airport going to the city. And I think 6 o'clock or I'm not sure kung 5:30 din from city going to the airport. So on those public transportation, I chose train guys kasi mas gusto kong nakikita yung yung paligid, wala lang, mas na-miss ko lang yung MRT sa atin. Actually, kapag naka-bus ka naman or naka-taxi ka naman, makikita mo pa rin naman paligid. So anyway, mas gusto ko lang maglakad na maglakad. So yun yung pinaka-reason natin. And sobrang sanay naman mag-train dito guys. Hindi ko lang tinatry yung mga taxi, yung Grab or bus kasi may madaling option naman. And actually na-try ko pala guys, ang ginagawa ko pala pag pauwi, yun, doon ako nag-grab car going here kasi most of the time ang flight ay mga madaling araw. So ang airport train guys ay hanggang 12 midnight lang. And normally mga saktong 12 or past 12 ako umaalis ng accommodation natin going to the airport. So nag-grab car na lang ako. So yan, dumadami na yung mga tao and I think 6 minutes left. So it's nice to be back here in Bangkok guys. Alright guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Phayatay Station. We are here. So lalakarin lang natin guys, going to the BTS, ayan, Phayatay. Tapos pupunta tayo ng Siam, then interchange going to National Stadium para sa ating accommodation. So let's go. So don't forget yung token, gagamitin nyo yung pag-exit. Iwan nyo na siya. Lang guys yung Phayatay BTS, transfer lang tayo doon, tapos meron tayong actually rabbit card na binili ko from last Thailand natin. I think may laman pa yun pero magta-top up tayo para hindi hassle pag ginagamit natin siya sa BTS, any BTS destination stations. So dito naman guys, kahit sobrang maraming line, mga trains nila, hindi kayo maliligaw. Just follow mga signs. And aside from doon, make sure na alamin nyo talaga kung saan kayo bababa. So now, kung magta-top up kayo, may mga rabbit card kayo guys, just go directly to the counter para mag-top up. So ayan, ito yung counter nila. Tapos ito naman yung mga tickets, kung gusto nyo mag-ticket dyan. And actually, I think pwede mag-top up using that machine. So, nandito tayo guys sa Phayatay Station and we are going to National Stadium. So, from Phayatay, sasakay tayo ng Green Line going to Siam. So, yung Siam na yan, aalamin natin kung anong platform. Yun yung dulo, which is Keha. Ayan. So, para makapunta tayo guys ng Siam Station, BTS Station, sasakay natin yung Keha na platform. And then, pag nakababa na tayo, interchange lang tayo going to National Stadium. So, let's go. So, pag ano guys, pag magta-top up kayo, kailangan exact amount yung ilalagay nyo. Katulad nung sa akin, ginawa ko 1,000. So, wala akong option na i-500. And guys, may nakaiwan ng 40 baht doon sa machine. So, wala namang umaangkin. Sayang naman, ipatip na lang natin to guys pag may bibilin tayo. So anyway, ito yung counter. Dito tayo magka-top up. Alright, so yeah, Chatrami, yung best Thai tea dito guys sa Thailand. And itong Yamasaki guys, ang sasarap ng mga bread na yan. Alright guys, so nasa Siam Station na tayo. And now, we are going to interchange going to National Stadium and yun yung last station. So yun na rin yung platform. So nakalagay sa instruction is going up. Ganun lang kadali guys mag-train dito. Sundin nyo lang, tapos you know the platform and of course you should know kung saan kayo bababa. So yan, National Stadium. And dito pala guys, sobrang disiplinado yung mga tao dito. Hindi katulad sa atin. So dito, kahit na rush hour, hihintayin muna nila makalabas lahat bago kayo makapasok. Hi guys, so we are almost there sa ating accommodation. And look at this. Currently, it's 7 AM Bangkok time. And wala pa masyadong tao. Kasi normally ang mga office nila dito, mag-start ng 9 or 10. At mga ganong time, sobrang dami tao dito. And pag sa hapon naman, yung mga rush hour, uso dito guys yung rush hour. Kasi talagang maraming tao. So, nandito tayo sa National Stadium. Papakita ko sa inyo guys kung saan tayo mag-i-stay. Meron palang elevator guys going up. Hindi ko lang siya napansin. Well, and I think bago siya guys. Bago lang siya. Yes, I think bagong gawa yung lift. So now we're going to exit this BTS station. Tapos nakikita ko na yung ating accommodation. So guys, finally we are here sa National Stadium BTS station. And ito guys ang ating hostel. Our accommodation, man, lovely. So this is our accommodation guys, lovely Bangkok Siam.
3 hours later.
What's up everyone, it's me again Mark Paragas and welcome back to another Bangkok travel vlog. So for today's video guys, we are going to stay in one of the cheap hostel here in Siam, which is the lovely Bangkok Siam. Of course, we're gonna have a hostel tour and room tour, and I'm gonna show you around and the advantages of staying here in lovely Bangkok Siam. So guys, after nating magstay sa Siloam Space Hostel, bumalik muna ako actually sa Suvarnabhumi Airport para makapag-vlog ako about the public transportation. Then kasama na yung ating DIY transfer from Suvarnabhumi Airport going to our new accommodation using the airport rail link. And now we're going to stay here sa lovely Bangkok Siam, sa mismong baba lang guys ng National Stadium BTS station. And this is one of the cheapest hostel na maire-recommend ko sa inyo. So guys, lovely Bangkok Siam is conveniently located here mismo sa tapat ng National Stadium BTS station. Very convenient siya guys, lalo na kung palagi kayong mag-BTS. So paglabas mo lang guys ng lovely, this is the escalator going up to the BTS station, National Stadium. And in front of the lovely Bangkok Siam guys, there's a school. And beside ng school, yan na mismo yung MBK Center. And in front of the MBK Center, ito ang Bangkok Arts and Culture Center. And beside ng lovely guys, merong 7-Eleven. And ito yung Mercure and Ibis Hotel. So ang Lovely Hostel brand guys ay marami ng branches. Aside from Siam, meron din sila sa Phuket, meron sa Cambodia, Japan, and syempre sa Philippines. Kung familiar kayo sa Lovely Makati along Makati Avenue, I think nag-open siya a couple of years ago na rin. Pero si Lovely Bangkok Siam pa rin ang OG at isa sa mga pioneer. We've stayed here a couple of times na rin bago ko pa na-discover si Siloam Space Hostel, and for the reason na super cheap and maganda yung location. Dito guys, meron silang outdoor cafe and bar na open daily from 7 AM to 11 PM. Pwede kayong mag-lounge, mag-chill at mag-dine. Actually, kung gusto nyo naman ng naka-aircon para medyo malamig, meron din silang indoor mini cafe and bar.
아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나 봐, 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby.
By the way guys, dito pala sa Bangkok, yung most of the hostel has a social space or fun area which is intended for you guys to socialize and meet new friends. So now we are on the second floor where they have a movie theater guys. So as you can see, they feature what movie they're going to be showing. So Jack Reacher and free popcorn. So let's check. Okay. And as what I've mentioned guys, this hostel prefer to have their guests gathered in one place to socialize and make friends. Hindi siya open ngayon, so walang movie ngayon. But if you want, you can just turn it on or ask for assistance sa front desk. So guys, yung nasa second floor, ito yung mga rooms nila na with private bathroom. So again, itong hostel, they also have a private bedroom with private bathroom. So this is guys open space again. So look at that. Yan yung kanina ko saan tayo galing. Now let's head to the third floor. So sorry, naglilinis sila. So yan. Thank you. And let me tell you guys na Love D doesn't have any lift or elevator because they are encouraging everyone to stay healthy and fit. So ayan. So guys, we are now on the third floor and as you can see, open yan guys, so para at least yung air pumapasok dito. So this is the look of the third floor. Mga blue yung doors nila as you can see. And guys, itong mga rooms na nandito ay mga mixed bedroom. Mixed bedroom, good for 4 person. Kung mag-isa lang kayo guys and you want a cheaper stay, you can try their mixed bedroom. So when you say mix, lalo na kung mag-isa lang kayo, possible yung mga ibang lahi kayo makasama or ibang tao, of course. And for the mixed bedroom guys, they have a common bathroom, toilet and bath. So they have common toilet and bath. So of course this is for the male. Ayan. So total of they have like 3 shower and 3 toilets. So wala naman tao. Ito. So may mga urinal. So ikot lang tayo. Ayan. Pag hindi naman sila busy guys or wala masyadong turista, solo nyo naman tong bathroom. I'm actually staying sa 4th floor. Okay guys, so there is an open room here. I think pwede natin masilip. Kung nakikita nyo, so 4 na bed, 2 bunk bed. Yan, 2 bunk beds, may fan and then may aircon din. Tapos may sarili-sarili kayong locker dyan. Bring your own padlock guys if you are going to stay here kasi hindi sila nagpo-provide ng padlock. Alright? And then, ayan. And don't forget na this is a no smoking. Ang fine ata dito guys is 2,000 to 5,000 baht. So please follow the rules and wag pasaway. Alright, so we are done here guys. Now let's head to the 4th floor. At dito ako sa 4th floor na stay. So yan, hindi ko ito mapakita yung room ko guys. May open naman dito. So sa 4th floor, ito yung orange doors. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda kasi may open dito guys. So, more on orange doors. So this is good for 2 person. Either twin beds or 1 double bed. So yung kinuha ko is 1 double bed. So this is the look of it guys. So kinakapakita ko na yung room ko. So I'm actually staying in room 404. This is a double bed guys. Double bedroom. We have a work table here. Ayan, sorry for the mess. Merong space dito. You can put your things. Tapos, 2 towels. And then, ito lang siya. So, isang double bed. And then, may TV. Though ang TV nila guys, more on local channels lang yan. Medyo matagal na kasi ito guys, itong Love D. So, hindi sila nag-upgrade ng TV. Wala yung Netflix or wala, hindi kayo makakapag-screen mirror dyan. And then, on that side where you can put all your luggage, your bags, kung balak nyong mag-ayos dyan. And then, you have mga hanger where you can put your clothes. Alright, so, ito lang siya. Ganito lang siya kasimple guys. So, this is the look. Medyo messy, pero yan. I got this, or I booked this guys for I think 1,500 per night. And yung kanilang bunk bed guys, mixed bedroom na tinatawag, I think that's 500 pesos per night. So diba, if you are traveling alone and you want like talagang cowboy naman kayo, hindi kayo maarte and you are a backpacker, then I would suggest just go for a cheaper one, which is yung bunk bed nila, mixed bedroom. But if you're a group of 2 or more, or sabihin natin 4, you can rent the entire bunk room, guys, or the mixed bedroom. At least hati-hati na lang kayo. Alright guys, so ang Labdi Bangkok Siam is located sa mismong BTS National Stadium, and I must say this is a 5-star rating for the location because it is conveniently located sa National BTS Stadium, which is the last and first station. So kung pupunta kayo kung saan man, basta as long as BTS, then you're in a good spot. For the property and condition and cleanliness, guys, in fairness, malinis tong hostel na to. And everyday silang naglilinis, guys. If you have the option, kung gusto nyong ihang yung parang sign na ayaw nyong ma-disturb, or if you want to hang the sign na gusto nyong ipalinis yung room nyo, they will immediately clean it, guys. Especially mga 12 noon, ginagawa nila yon. Sobrang linis, and I think matagal na to, guys. Itong Labdi Bangkok Siam is, I think, more than 10 years na, kasi when we started to travel here in Bangkok, mga 10 years ago na rin, we stayed here most of the time. They don't have lift or elevator, guys, because they preferred, or they are encouraging everyone, every guest to be healthy. But ang downside lang, guys, kasi pag malami kayong gamit talaga, kailangan talagang paguran. You can ask for assistance, pero yun, akyat baba, lalo na kung na-assign kayo dito sa 4th floor, or kinuha niyo yung mga twin bed and double bed with common bathrooms and toilet dito yun sa 4th floor. And haggard talaga, guys, mag-akyat baba, lalo na kung marami kayong bed. And one more thing, this is a hostel na parang, I'm not sure, but I know that some of the hostels that I've stayed here in Bangkok offer drinking water or any breakfast. So if you're going to stay here, guys, they don't offer free water and breakfast, but they serve breakfast with a charge, of course. So hiwalay siya. Hindi kayo makakapag-book. Ay, wait. Ayun pala, guys. So sorry. So this is one of the, I'm not sure kung may ganito pang hostel, but I think the downside ng hostel na to, guys, is wala silang free water. Unlike sa mga hostel that I've stayed with, especially yung Silum Space Hostel, may free coffee, free water, meron pang free noodles 24/7. So dito, guys, yun nga lang, if you want bottled water or drinking water, you need to pay dun sa kanilang resto bar sa baba. And yung mga rooms pala dito, guys, not automatically with breakfast. So you need to book the right option, or you need to book the right room and then choose yung with breakfast. And in fairness naman, American breakfast, hindi naman mahal magstay dito sa Labdi Bangkok. So I think yun nga lang, dahil yung value for money, they don't offer water, which is not bad naman, kasi sa tabi lang ng Labdi, guys, merong 7-Eleven. The fact na parang 500 pesos lang, guys, per night yung kanilang mixed bedroom, not bad. And then this room, yung room na nakuha ko, guys, per night is 1,500. And yung mga bedrooms nila with private toilet and bath are, I think, around 2,100 pesos per night. Now, for the service, guys, yung ibang mga staff dito before sa Labdi, naging friend na namin. And every time na babalik kami dito sa Labdi, may discount kami. And by the way, talking about the discount, if you're going to stay 3 nights or more, you can get as much as 15% off. And if you're going to stay for like 5 days and more, you will get as much as 25% discount sa room. So just visit Labdi, their website, guys, Labdi Bangkok Siam. Just type Labdi Bangkok Siam and then check the rooms, check the rates, and sulit naman, worth it naman, guys. The staff, mababait, in fairness. Basta mababait sila, guys. They are all friendly. Kasi merong mga staff, guys, na pag hindi ka naiintindihan, lalo na English ka ng English, nagsusungit, nagtataray. But here, knowing some of their staff na talaga for a long time, super friendly. And did you know, guys, na nakausap ko yung isang reception, I forgot to get her name. Sabi niyo sa akin, when she learned na parang vlogger nga ako, i-message ko lang daw sila guys, and they will give me a free stay on my next visit. Diba? Ganun sila kabait guys. Hindi sila madamot. That's it for today's video guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung ating hostel tour. And again, sulit na to guys. Tapos hindi kayo madi-disappoint kasi dito kami palagi nag-i-stay. Nabago lang nung last May, which is yung sa Siloam Space Hostel. But for me, both of them offers different facilities and amenities. But if you want, like yung katulad niya nito, malapit na sa Siam Paragon, sa mga malls, malapit sa BTS station, then go for Lovely Bangkok Siam. So yun guys, I hope na-enjoy nyo yung ating hostel tour and room tour. This is like a quick one lang. Wala kasi yung nakausap ko na reception staff yung unang dating ko dito. Gusto ko sanang interviewin. Pero anyway, other than that, Lovely is still being Lovely. So ayun. Love, love, love. So yun guys, kung first time mo sa channel ko, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragues Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos natin. Just enjoy life guys. Have fun. You don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, the next day, in the future. Just enjoy life, be positive, spread kindness. Yun lang guys, and don't forget na kapag nagpunta kayo dito sa Bangkok, you should explore, shop, drink, and eat till you drop. See you on my next travel vlog. Mamacho too.